Imagine having fresh, flavorful cilantro at your fingertips all year round. Sounds great, right? Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can grow this tasty herb right in your own home with just a few hydroponic essentials. Welcome back to Hydro Grow Herbs, where we talk about how to grow herbs indoors using hydroponics. This is Mike, your host. Today, we're diving into cilantro, how to grow it hydroponically indoors. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly hydroponic tips and tricks. To start, choose a cilantro variety that thrives in hydroponics. Options like Calypso or Santo are slow to bolt and fight off common issues like powdery mildew. Cilantro loves a specific water environment, so it's essential to check and adjust your water regularly. Remember, EC between 1.5 and 2.5 and a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Keep this in mind as you go. Temperature matters. Keep your cilantro in a cool spot, ideally between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, with good airflow. This will prevent pests and help your cilantro grow strong. With the right setup, you'll be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Look for vibrant green leaves, and harvest regularly to encourage fresh growth. Trust me, there's nothing like freshly cut cilantro in the kitchen. There you have it, fresh cilantro, grown hydroponically, right in your home. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow gardeners. Remember to check the description for additional resources. Thanks for watching. This is Mike signing off. Until next time, keep your herb hydroponic gardens growing strong.